For what?
Because I need to show them. Hold on, y'all. So I came home and my husband shoved this in my face. You see this? He shoved it in my face. Y'all see? Plant-based, grain-free. Some kind of, let me see. Crunchy baked crackers made from cassava flour. No, you're not supposed to have no flour. And other grain-free ingredients.
It's not flour, it's cassava flour.
Savory taste. All right. And it say certified gluten-free because he needs a snack. So, we getting ready to try this together. Holy, I gotta get my cookie, my cracker, whatever this thing is. Oh, bring the other thing out when we
This healthy stuff is expensive, ridiculously expensive.
You ready? You got crunch?
Okay,
It's not bad. It's not bad. I mean, he bought this canola rice. He bought this plant-based. He says it's expensive. And then he bought, I don't know what this is. Some rice that's a veggie rice. Oh, cauliflower. Oh, okay. He wants some cauliflower rice. Okay. Good job, Avery. You ain't got me choking. Good job. Come on, baby. Look, he working it out. He working. Wait till he see what I got for him. He gonna be all happy.
Well, let's see.
All right. No. You can't see it.
You coughing for? And then sitting up here touching me.
You can't see it because I have to make it first, and you have to taste it. Because if you see it, then you might not.
Oh, hell to the no.
No, look.
Oh, hell no.
So I'm about to make you something real quickly, and then you gonna have to taste it.
All right.
But you can't see it.
Okay.
Okay. All right, we'll be back. This thing down, y'all. We're gonna season this up and put this together and see what happens. Chicken. Put this thing on here. I'm gonna put this on now. So it look like cheese, y'all, but it ain't cheese. So you better put this in the oven and see how it melt. Look, one thing y'all didn't tell me that alternative cheese does not melt like regular cheese. So what I thought was gonna be melting still ain't melt yet. I'm trying to figure that out. I had to put it on broil. What? Okay, let me show y'all. When I put it on broil, it had to get a little bit of crispiness to it because it was not melting. And you see, like, it still ain't melt like cheese. So we're gonna see how this goes. All right, let's see. Y'all ready? Let's turn it around.
Oh, yeah. Put on my shoulder. Yeah.
Yeah, y'all. So I made my husband this little meal for him to try. Y'all see? Y'all see it? It's eggplant, chicken breast, salad.
Oh, it's chicken? Okay.
Yeah.
I thought it was fish.
Fish. See, you don't even know what you got.
Ain't
So let's see. Let's see. He all excited.
Right, something different. It looking kind of good.
It looking kind of good.
I good to eat?
Yeah. Let's see what you think. See, he know. So his blessing. That's right.
Let's enter the Most High, giving thanks and grace. All right, so we got a chicken that pre-cut. We got what cheese, filled eggplant with tomato sauce on it. So let's go get this eggplant a taste.
Like, so that steam coming from it because it's hot, fresh. You see that steam? Be careful, you don't burn yourself. You dropping stuff.
God, all right.
It's hot, right?
Okay.
Now it's two different types of cheese on the different. So you can try that one, and then you can try the other one and see which one you like.
You sure? Cause they look the same.
They the same.
One tastes like a mozzarella. Oh, and chicken tastes like real chicken.
It's real chicken.
Oh, okay.
What you think? Is real chicken?
Come here, I can't alternative lately. So you see this one got different cheese? You sure? They look the same.
It's different, baby. Trust me.
Well, the knife gotta be small too.
Talk about this small plate.
Alright. The eggplant we had last night had a skin?
Yeah. You just ate the skin, right?
Mm-hmm. This is our first time cooking eggplant too.
Mm-hmm. First time cooking eggplant.
So what is it called?
It's supposed to be an eggplant pizza. That's what they call it.
Mm. The hell happened to this eggplant over here?
I told you eggplant got different texture cheese. So what it tastes like?
Not like cheese. I have no idea.
What it tastes like?
Just like the plastic you wrap around the cheese.
You know what?
Wait till
Is that the skin or the top? You said it tastes like skin. Cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Shut up.
I kind of feel like it was starting to turn into something else in my mouth.
What?
Share that
So you
again.
gonna try to get that same piece?
Like, I ain't even got no taste. What the hell is it?
Okay, what
It's
tastes
like the plastic wrap around the cheese or something for real.
What? Taste the other one again.
You sure you're supposed to eat the skin for the eggplant?
I don't know.
Like, kind of tough.
Well, don't eat it. It can't. That's how they made it. So I'm like, okay. You know, I'm trying to follow direction.
As long as it get washed good before you come and make it.
As long as
it get washed.
Oh no. You got what?
I don't know if the eggplant changing the consistency of the cheese or what.
So how that one taste? It tastes different or the same?
This I feel like it tastes like cheese.
So it tastes like cheese. But the other one don't taste like cheese? It's two different cheeses, that's what I said. So which one you like better?
I guess that one. Why?
I'm just asking.
What the difference is?
Good. But you like it? What you
Stop
think?
playing with me, now that man. What the difference
What
is?
you like? You like it or not?
I mean, it's fine. I mean, it's doing the job.
It's doing the job?
Obviously, eating cheese and all that you talking about. If I like it, what the hell is it? Goat cheese or some shit?
Goat is cheese. Goat cheese is cheese. So you like it or not?
This one tastes good. What is this?
So that one have almond mozzarella,
Huh?
alternative cheese.
You just say almond mozzarella?
Almond mozzarella. So I was told that was the best. That was one of the good ones.
This one?
Yeah, the other one is soy.
No one like tastes like shit.
You know what?
Bruh.
The other one is soy mixed cheese. So soy cheddar. So yeah.
Yeah, fire burn that soy stuff. And you know how I feel about soy already too.
So yeah. So I did half and half. So you got more of the other one up there. That's the mozzarella.
You got an almond based one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can't eat. So yeah.
Come on. Alright, you go to them, but either way, baby. We came home from a long day at work. Spent a long time preparing this, figuring out this meal, you know, to help in assisting our health journey, and I appreciate you for that. Thank you very much.
Oh, he appreciate me, y'all. Oh, I can't turn around. Look at this again. He appreciate me. So, the mozzarella almond has it so far, and the other cheese, that's soy nonsense, he don't like that. So
You know better than I don't even know. I
I
can't believe you even bought soy.
I got 3 things. So anyway, we're gonna come back. I'm gonna show you what I got, okay?
Cheese package. I about
So-
to jump to the way.
Look, let me get out here. So this is the one he did not like.
Yeah, we can dash with that.
But this is the one he liked. So the person who told me that, he liked that guy. But we got
Big
one,
up yourself.
so we got one more cheese to try though.
Which one? Is it goat cheese?
No, it's another brand. But they was telling me some other brands that's supposed to be pretty good too. That actually melt like cheese. So we gotta try that. It's from Publix.
Send that soy one back. Don't bring me nothing with no soy.
Okay. Well, listen, I'm trying to help you out because I know you having a withdrawal.
All right.
So,
And I can't imagine how much that probably costs.
it's not much. $4.
I can't imagine how much I expect that thing costs.
$4. That's a lot?
Yeah, that's a lot for that like package of cheese.
Well, and then I made with some
And almond ain't got no milk, so you know that's pure. That's almond water. You just spend $4 for.
but you like it though.
Mm-hmm.
And that was my first time making eggplant, y'all. So I did good. And then the chicken is regular chicken that I sauteed on the stove. And I use it has butter that
Saute in my hand right now.
what? I'm sauteing. You play too much. And the chicken is made with this butter that cow grass, they eat grass.
Of course, cow eat
No,
grass.
listen, wait,
What
let
the
me
hell?
hold on.
I can't right now.
Tell people know what you think. Go ahead, just talk.
Yeah, this soy crap guy though. I don't do no kind of salt base, nothing. Yeah. Not even my children had similar, so well, they have breast milk anyway, so but do good.
So it's sauteed
I
with
mean this vegetarian might be able to stand a chance. What else?
see what it says?
Why
It's
they seem
made
hard
with-
like bad soap?
It's you know what? It's made with milk from grass-fed cows. I don't know if it make a difference. But anyway, and this is the other cheese that we gotta try, right? We didn't do this one yet. So it's a cashew cheese.
Me know how they doing it because we all know nuts don't make milk, so I know.
It's a dairy-free vegan, okay? So we gonna try that on something else next time. All right. So okay,
You
day
got thumbs
3.
up. Thanks for everyone for the
Day 3.
suggestions. Appreciate you all for it. We're gonna keep it going.
Okay. We'll be back. Stay tuned. Oh, they say I got a TikTok pants on, y'all. TikTok pants on. Can you see?
Let me see.
The TikTok pants.
On the other one.
What other one?
Oh no, what's the TikTok? What TikTok pants on? Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
Stop. Bye. All right, y'all. He got the itis, so I'm gonna let him tell it. So those of you that say, "Oh, that plate was small," why I gave my husband such a small plate? What you said, babe?
Yeah, full. But yeah, I remember I had some wings before you came, you know. So come on now.
But so now you changing this. Now you changing it after I put
Nobody
your
no
camera.
change nothing.
You say you're a fool for the small plate because it's good.
Why you talking like that? Please stop.
Because you know what you said, you was full. Don't tell me what to stop doing, okay? Because you already talking about I'm from the island. And I tell you I'm from the state. So now when I speak island twang, then you want to tell me I ain't to stop speaking like that.
You just have a lot of island in you. You're not from there. So stop.
Thank you. I'm not from there. I appreciate it.
You're
I
just
know
full of island.
I'm from Florida. Tampa, Florida, for those who don't know. Okay? Anyway, back to the conversation. So, what's your overall thoughts? And he finished the plate, just so y'all know. You know he didn't like the soy cheese, he finished it. So go ahead.
I'm saying I fling that cheese off of it though, and eat the
Eggplant.
The eggplant. Again, you don't see the penis emoji, but that ain't sorry.
What? Oh, you know what? You all got some slicks up to say, talking about, oh, nuts don't have milk. They come out, but your nuts got milk.
Like I say, you full of island, right?
See how you be making me talk? You know what? I'm done. Go ahead. So go ahead. Say what you got to say.
What I gotta say? I said the food was good. You know what I'm saying? And look, well, I guess we can't consider that veggie because we had like chicken and stuff like that. But you know,
but we
trying
not
to go like that
becoming vegan.
veggie-based thing ain't sustainable to me. But you know, I mean, the clean eating thing. I mean, it seemed like it come a long way, and some of the alternatives good. The soy-based stuff.
Yeah, but we're going to be doing too much of that processed stuff.
Yeah.
So basically,
I mean, like we gotta go throw a cheese on everything now. You know what I'm saying? But it's just to have a variety
want it.
because like that was like 5 days or
2 days.
Well, it was
this
the
day 3,
same
you
meal
making
for
up
4, 5, 6 times. It
3
was like,
days.
Jesus, Father me.
This day 3. 1,
Hey,
2, 3.
Either way, yeah, please keep the suggestions coming.
We're not becoming
Inbox
vegan.
her.
We're just He just needed some cheese in his life. But I said, no, you can't have cheese. You can't have no dairy. So that's why I put it out there for all the vegans, vegetarians, whoever, to come out and give suggestions of things to satisfy his craving for this cheese, because he was having withdrawals, okay? Like serious withdrawals. Like he needed somebody to help him because it was ridiculous. 2 days. This is the third day. Day 3, June 3rd, okay? So we appreciate y'all. Thank you. You know I'm always trying to help my baby and everything, you know, try to cook something. So, you know.
And we appreciate y'all help
But
and
I
everybody's
eating it.
suggestion. So,
I
like I
tried
said,
it though.
just
It
keep
was
it
fun.
coming. And you know, she did her little thing in the kitchen. She hooked it up for the first time, so I can imagine
You said for the first time.
with that stuff.
Oh, I thought you were trying to say the
eggplant
first time
and
I ever cooked. I would have to check
Really?
you. Oh, okay. Because that's why you look like you look now, because all that cooking I be
you
doing.
know,
That good loving. Anyway, all right, y'all. We just want to let y'all know that it was, you know, good. We'll see y'all in a week, maybe
I don't
2.
even know where I look now. What are you trying to say? I fat?
No, you just got a little.
I just
gut.
healthy.
Yeah, you just a little healthy. That's all. You nice healthy. You just get rid of that, you know, 9-pound baby.
Deuces.
We out.